Hey everyone, what's up? My name's Jessie and welcome to my channel. So we're in my kitchen. Why? Because I don't have a proper workshop yet. So unfortunately for me, the kitchen doubles as that, but it's fine. Now I'm not gonna lie to you. I did this DIY a week ago. I had it done and ready to go. And then when it came time to do the top coat, my loving boyfriend convinced me to try something new. He had this new technique, this new way he wanted to try. And because I'm so nice, I said, yes, sure, let's try it on my big project, because what could go wrong? Everything. I absolutely hated how it looked. It didn't look like wood, it was just like too shiny, so he had to go sand it all down. So that's what brings us here today. And that's just why I wanted to say it's not gonna be a fresh, clean surface, but I did already do a test piece and it should turn out how I originally envisioned it, so we're gonna be fine. All right, that's enough for me. Let's get into it. For the drawers, a very on-brand color for me. We are going with some true black. As the drawers dry, before I go in for the second coat, I'm gonna go and do the top and the sides of the dresser. So the color for that is going to be Early American, because I don't know what it is, but there's just something about black and like a wood home decor that we love it in this house. So that's the vibe we're going for. It is the next day, so it's time to start doing the top coat. So now I'm going in with a water-based clear matte finish. And for this top coat, you apply it 3 times. So you do one coat, you wait 2 hours, and then you sand it ever so slightly with a very, very fine sandpaper. Do the other coat, wait 2 hours, and continue onwards.
Oh, hey! So Jessie had to leave for the weekend, so I'll be taking over for this portion of the video real quick. Not too much going on, we're just gonna be staining the legs. Let's get into it. Where's the button? Fuck. This is so embarrassing.
Now, this next part is totally optional. I just wanted to go the extra mile to make it that much more my vibe. So instead of using the handles that came with the dresser, I ordered these ones off of Amazon. They're coffin shape, and I just think it's perfect because it's black on black, so it's very subtle, which I love, and it just adds a little sprinkle of spooky, and you know I freaking eat that shit up. So let me show you how it looks because I love it. I know my style is not everyone's cup of tea, but I hope someone pulled some sort of inspiration from this and you go ahead and DIY your own dresser. So if you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also make sure you're following me on my other social media accounts if you aren't. I have those linked down below as well. And I'll see ya whenever I feel like it. All right, bye.